Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and this week I've made cornbread. Cornbread is an easy recipe to make. It has very few ingredients. It goes so well with different kind of recipes. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need for the dry ingredients. You need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And for the wet ingredients, you need 1 cup of milk, 1 egg beaten, and 1/4 cup of oil. And the first thing I'm going to do is mix all of the dry ingredients together, and then mix the wet ingredients together, and then combine them. Okay, I'm going to mix the 1 cup of cornmeal with the 1 cup of flour, and 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and the 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to mix that up well. And you can pretty much tell when it's mixed by the coloring, because the cornmeal goes all through it. And now it's a nice shade of light yellow. Okay, in another bowl, I'm going to take the 1 cup of milk, one egg beaten, and 1/4 cup of oil. And get that mixed together. And you could use an electric mixer if you want. I've never found a need. Not for this recipe anyway. Okay, now that's all mixed up. I'm just going to put it in with the dry. And I'm going to mix this well. Okay, I've got it all mixed up. Make sure you go all the way to the bottom, because the dry likes to hide down there. And I've got my little 8x8 pan, and it's been sprayed with Pam. The oven is set at 425, and I'm going to be baking this for 20 to 25 minutes. And of course, you know me, I never know what my oven's going to do. So I'm going to check this after 20 minutes, and when it comes out toothpick clean, then I know it's done. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven, and we'll be back. 20 minutes, and it's come out nice and clean. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes just to rest, and then I'm going to cut it, and we'll see how it is. But you can see it's golden brown on the outside, and yeah, that looks really good. There it is, all done. And I've plated it, and it can be eaten as is, but I really like it when butter is put on it when it's warm. The flavor when it melts is amazing. So we're going to get a little butter, and we'll be right back. Okay, my son's already taken his, and he didn't want butter, but I've got mine loaded, because that's the way I really like it. And it's funny, something as simple as cornbread, this stuff is amazing with chili. Oh, that is so good. It's easy to make. It doesn't have very many ingredients. Only takes 20 minutes in an oven. And yeah, it's amazing. So, I hope you give this a try. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.